Right, why should anyone consider using Eagle Training as their provider? Well, for me, in over 20 years of working with training providers, I would simply say that Eagle are the most effective training provider that I've ever worked with. A fairly simple answer, but obviously there's lots of stuff behind that. They build relationships with the delegates to the like I've never seen before, and those relationships are long lasting, even after the modules are all finished. They challenge the way people think, and that probably gives people the most confidence. Okay, in terms of benefits for the delegates, for me personally and the company, from a company perspective, I believe we've raised the bar in terms of the standards of our management teams, and we've also delivered financial savings. Obviously each one was responsible for a project, and some of those range from not making any financial gain to doing behavioural changes to making savings in excess of £50,000 a year. Very significant sums. As a team, as a delegate, I would say you learn new tools, you learn new skills. The one thing that I got as an HR function from the programme was that the cross-functionality was something I didn't envisage would be so beneficial, but it certainly was. To the extent that we still have teams working together after the modules are finished. So the togetherness is superb. In terms of how Eagle Training work with the delegates and their style, a lot of preparation was done before the modules began, which was, I think, is key. The guys talk in a language that's real, and they understand some of the phrases that the guys use on the shop floor. They don't know all the pieces of kit, but they do know some of them. So it's pertinent to what the guys do, and that works. In summary, one of the delegates said to me that they're crafty because you don't realise you're learning whilst you're being trained by the guys, and I think that sums them up really. It's not a chore to come to the modules. People want to do it. In terms of if somebody else other than myself wanted to work with Eagle Training, what would they expect? Certainly professionalism, a different style to all the others, a style that delivers, produces results, and all in all, value for money.